Hi, this is Smart Numbers. We're just going to show you a quick demo of how to use the MobeX app.
First, we're going to show the MobeX app being dialed into. So if we click this number here, which will then come through on here, and then we can accept it, and it's answered. So next, we'll show you how to dial up. There are two ways of doing that. You can go to your history and select a recent one, or you can go dial pad and enter the number you wish to call. From this point, there are a few things you can do. You can set the call on speakerphone, or you can place the customer on hold, which will then play some hold music on the other side. From here, you can also transfer the call. So if you press the transfer button and then dial the number you wish to transfer to, and then if you press this button here, this will do an attended transfer, which allows the person to pick up, and you can also speak to them. And then to complete the transfer, just press complete. So next we'll show you how the app pulls through your contacts. So as you can see here, we set up a contact called Kate Direct Number on the normal contacts. We'll then put that on the MobeX app. We'll go to contacts. And here you can see it's pulled through, and we can dial it straight from the app.